Transform your home with top smart home apps, Ultimate Guide 2024. Are you ready to take your home into the future? Smart home devices are revolutionizing the way we live, but the magic truly happens through the apps that control them. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, the right app can make all the difference in how you interact with your smart home. After spending countless hours testing and reviewing various options, I've narrowed down my top picks that stand out for their usability, features, and overall performance. Let's dive into the world of smart home apps that can unlock your home's full potential. Why trust these recommendations? When it comes to smart home technology, you want to ensure you're making informed choices. That's why I've meticulously selected these apps based on rigorous testing and real-world use. My goal is to help you find the best tools to enhance your home experience. And remember, if you decide to purchase through my links, I may earn a small commission, which helps keep the lights on. 1. Blink app, security cameras, If you're looking for a straightforward and effective way to monitor your home, the Blink app is a fantastic choice. With devices like the Blink Outdoor 4 and Blink Mini 2, you get compact, budget-friendly security cameras that are perfect for beginners. What sets the Blink app apart is its user-friendly interface. From the moment you set it up to checking live feeds, everything is intuitive and fast. You won't have to sift through a maze of confusing features. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. 2. Arlo app, security cameras and home security systems, For those who want a bit more complexity and customization, the Arlo app is a powerhouse. While it may have more features than Blink, it's designed to help you manage everything from security cameras to full home security systems. The setup process is one of the best I've encountered, making it easy for newcomers to get started. Once you're up and running, the clean interface allows for extensive customization, letting you arrange widgets to keep your most important controls front and center. 3. Emporia Energy app, smart plug and energy management, Want to keep an eye on your energy consumption? The Emporia Energy app is a game changer. It provides detailed graphs of your electricity usage and allows you to set power schedules and monitor peak usage times. What's impressive is how user-friendly the app is, despite the wealth of information it offers. With just a few taps, you can access everything you need, making energy management a breeze. 4. Switchbot app, locks, sensors, doorbells, and more, Switchbot is all about versatility, offering a range of products from smart locks to air quality sensors. The Switchbot app is a joy to use, featuring a clean design that gives you a comprehensive overview of your home. The automation options are particularly noteworthy, guiding you through setting up routines that can enhance your daily life. It's more than just an app, it feels like a central hub for your smart home. 5. Apple Home app, broad platform device management, If you're an Apple user, the Apple Home app is a must-have. It allows you to manage a variety of smart devices under one roof, and its simplicity is a breath of fresh air. The home screen is clean and organized, making it easy to navigate through your devices. While not every device is compatible, the speed and efficiency of the Apple Home app make it my top choice among major platform apps. In conclusion, these smart home apps are designed to make your life easier and your home smarter. Whether you're securing your space, managing energy, or automating daily tasks, the right app can transform your living environment. For more insights, check out the best smart displays for additional control options, explore the top Apple HomeKit devices, and discover how to get professional home monitoring for under $20 a month. Embrace the future of home technology and unlock your home's potential today.